Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to today's English journey. My name is Sarah, and together we are going to explore a fun and tasty topic, our favorite food. Food is more than just something we eat, it's a way to share our feelings, connect with people, and enjoy life. Talking about food gives us the chance to describe tastes, ask questions, and learn about different cultures. In today's lesson, you will listen to two friends, Anna and Tom, having a long conversation about their favorite food. They will talk about pizza, pasta, desserts, family recipes, and even funny experiences in the kitchen. As you follow their dialogue, try to repeat sentences, notice the questions and answers, and imagine yourself speaking like them. Remember, learning English is like cooking, a mix of patience, practice, and creativity. So let's begin this delicious conversation together. Hi, Tom. You look happy today?
Hey, Anna. Yes, I just ate pizza, my favorite food.
Pizza again? You really love it, don't you?
Absolutely. Pizza makes my day better.
What kind of pizza did you have?
Thin crust with mushrooms and cheese.
Sounds delicious. Do you eat pizza often?
Yes, maybe twice a week. What about you?
I prefer pasta. I cook it at home.
Pasta is nice. Is it difficult to cook?
Not really. Just boil, add sauce, and done.
Do you use tomato sauce or cream sauce?
Mostly tomato, sometimes cream with mushrooms.
Interesting. I should try cream sauce one day.
Yes, you should. It tastes amazing.
Have you ever cooked pizza at home?
Once, but it wasn't perfect.
Same here. My pizza was a disaster.
That must have been funny.
My mom laughed a lot at me.
At least you tried. Cooking is practice.
True. Just like learning English.
Exactly. Step by step, we get better.
Do you eat pasta every week?
Yes, maybe 3 times. It's healthy.
Healthy and tasty. That's a good choice,
And cheaper than eating outside.
but I agree. But I like the smell of pizza shops.
The smell makes everyone hungry.
Right. Do you like spicy food?
Not much. I like mild flavors.
I love spicy food. Sometimes I add chili to pizza.
Chile on pizza? That's brave.
Maybe crazy. Chocolate cake is amazing. Do you bake it?
Yes, sometimes with my mom.
Wow, that sounds delicious.
Thanks. You can try it one day.
Only if you share pasta too.
Deal. Pasta, pizza, and cake party.
Anna, do you usually eat cake after pasta?
Not always, but sometimes on weekends.
Sounds like a happy weekend.
Haha, yes. Do you eat dessert after pizza?
Sometimes. Ice cream after pizza is the best.
Ice cream after pizza? Isn't that too heavy?
Maybe, but I like it. My stomach is strong to.
Haha, lucky you. I would feel too full.
Do you usually cook dinner for your family?
Yes, I help my mom almost every day.
That's nice. Cooking together is fun.
True. Do you cook at home?
Only sometimes. Mostly I eat outside.
Why not cook more often?
I'm lazy, and I'm afraid of burning food.
Haha, that's funny. But practice makes perfect.
That you're right. I should try more.
Start with simple recipes, like pasta.
Good idea. Maybe you can teach me.
Sure. We can cook together one day.
That would be great. Do you like salads?
Yes, very much. I eat salad every day.
Healthy choice. I eat salad only sometimes.
Dear friends, our delicious journey through favorite foods has now come to an end. Today, we explored how food is more than just something we eat. It is a way to connect, to share, and to enjoy life. Through Anna and Tom's conversation, we practiced asking questions, giving answers, and expressing our likes, dislikes, and experiences. Remember, every sentence you speak in English is like a new recipe. You mix words, add expressions, and create something meaningful. Just like cooking, learning English takes patience, practice, and a little creativity. Even small steps count, describing what you see, talking about your day, or sharing stories about food. So, my dear friends, keep practicing, stay curious, and enjoy the journey of learning. Try talking to yourself, pretend to cook with words, and remember, learning English can be as enjoyable as savoring your favorite meal. Join English Online to continue this exciting journey. Your adventure is just beginning. Embrace it with confidence, fun, and curiosity.